Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kolur Krishna here from Mugambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 19th Puratasi Masam, 5th October 2024. Krodinama Sambalsaram Dakshinayanam Varsharadho Puratasi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tadiya Tidi, Stiravasariktam, Nakshatram up to 9:07 p.m. Swadhi Nakshatram, then Vishagam. Today's Rahu Kalam 9 p.m. to 10:30 a.m. Yamakandam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Guliyagalam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Today's good time 7 to 8 a.m. then 11 to 12 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Meena Rashi.